Do you know what's the most feared tool among all do-it-yourselfer and even some professional in the kitchen cabinet world?
Hi, this is Frank. If you want to renovate your kitchen and you don't know where to start, this is the right place for you.
You might think it's like the miter saw or the table saw or the plane. No, none of those guys. This is the guy that they're afraid of, the measuring tape. Yes, I know it's pretty funny, but it's the fear of making a mistake, misreading it. Believe it or not, some professionals are afraid too, and they do it every day. Guess what? That's the reason they're afraid of. Being too confident, being too repetitive in doing the same thing, they actually make mistakes because they're not paying attention to what they're doing. So different reason, but they both fear the measuring tape. It's a dangerous tool to use when either you don't pay attention or you're too scared of using it. Now, when we measure cabinet doors, it's really simple. We just need to organize ourselves. We always recommend to do-it-yourselfer, and this is what we do as professional, is just have a quick drawing of your kitchen. Doesn't have to be a piece of art. Just go clockwise. Pretend your kitchen is flat on this piece of paper and go from left to right. And you just label every single door. 1, 2, 3, 4. And they don't have to line up. Just draw them from left to right. Again, if you're not comfortable doing this, some company like Cabinet Faces to Go, we just provide the drawing for you if you send us pictures. But it's important that you have something, a drawing on reference, and label every single door. Now, once you've done this and you can recognize which door is which, you just start measuring. In the cabinet world, the width goes first and the height goes second when you're measuring every single piece. Following this simple rule will prevent misunderstanding. So once you measure all the doors, you write down the measurement. It could be imperial, metric, whatever you're familiar with. Then you move on to the drawers. Drawers can be labeled D1, D2, D3, and again, same concept. The width of the drawer front first, and the height of the drawer front, which usually is a smaller number, goes after. All right, then you move on measuring the panels and stuff. Have fun and take your time and double check, because if you double check, you'll catch mistakes and you'll avoid wasting money when you place the order.